Hey, what's going on everybody? It is Project Gaming and Fly here. So as you can see, we have an unboxing video. This will be my first ever aircraft model unboxing video. This is the Daron Skymarks 1/200 scale Airbus A380-800 in the Airbus livery. So I actually got this back in November when I won it in a raffle in my college and stuff, but I kept on procrastinating to unbox it, and I wanted to make a video and post it for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get started. So here we have the front of the box, just says Skymarks Aircraft of the World. We got the side right there, just the sides. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make sure the frame, it's in the frame. Then we look at the back right here. It just shows assembly, how to put it on and stuff. And then on the side it says Airbus licensed product. So that being said, let's go ahead and let's get to the unboxing. Box to the side. Just got some plastic. Take out the fuselage right here. This is very big. Take it out of this plastic bag right here. Oh, there we go. I have very limited space on my desk, so bear with me. Just put that right there. So first I'll show you guys the fuselage real quick. Hold on. Okay, I wanted to put the camera at a higher angle just so I have more room to show you. So we have the fuselage right here. Got the Airbus on it right there. Airbus A380. Got the doors. We got the tail. Let me fix that real quick. There we go. A380. We got the registration. Foxtrot dash Whiskey Whiskey Delta Delta. Here's the other side right here. And again, it says Airbus, and A380, and the tail, and then the main gears right there and stuff. And put that right there. And I'll take this off. We have the catalog right here that you get with every Skymarks model. Put this to the side. We have the wings right here. Show you right here. We have the stand and the other parts and the elevators, and then we have the engines right here, and then we have the assembly instructions. Got the BAE 146-8 MD90, the wood stand for Skymarks Supreme models, and we have the 747-400 right here, but we know how to put it on, so yeah. So we'll go ahead and put the plane together. So first we'll go ahead and open the stand. This part right here. Elevators. Here's the stand, Airbus A380 scale 1/200. Put the other part in here. Oval focus. There we go. There we go. Just clicks in like so. Here's the elevators. Just like that. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm back. I just needed a little more time than expected to get the elevators out. So here they are right here. Very nice detail on them as always. Full focus, sorry. Just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wings on. Here's what we have so far. The landing gears tilt. That's very nice. Set this right there. Here are the engines. Oh, and on the engines, right here, it says, sorry if we'll focus, Engine Alliance. There you go. So I'm gonna put these on. And the engines are on. Just like that. Alright, so this is the model right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the plane on the stand right here. Alright. There we have it. So we got the cockpit windows with the windshield wipers. We got all the doors, very nice detail. Got the passenger windows, very nice detail with the wings right here, the flaps, the ailerons, the elevators, and the tail. And the registration, once again, Foxtrot Dash Whiskey Whiskey Delta Delta. And with the stand right here, Airbus A380 scale 1/200. So, all in all, this is a very nice model. I like it a lot. And just on the other side, we got the cargo doors right there. And nothing really special underneath, it's just blank. We got the gears right there, and they do tilt, as you can probably see. So, there's this right here. Just do this. Just like so. Nothing really much else to say. I hope this video did turn out well though, guys. This is my first ever model airplane unboxing video. But anyways, I think I'm going to conclude it here, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for some more gaming videos. And yeah, see you around.